Altadena provides 18 duplexes. This duplex has been totally renovated and has just come back to the market, offering over 4,000 internal square feet of living space. And as you'll see from this balcony, Hong Kong is laid out like a tablecloth. The living room provides over 600 square feet of space. And as you'll see, the ceilings are high and provide a real sense of gallery. You then come through to a transition area, which is quite well thought out. Could be perhaps a mahjong table, but most importantly, it's this wine cupboard here, right off the dining room. The dining room is a separate dining room and can easily seat upwards of 20 guests. Come on up. There's 4 bedrooms, all on one level. All the bedrooms are a very generous size. I think you'll agree. Welcome to the kitchen. This is truly an entertainer's kitchen. Family by day and a corporate event and workspace by night. Perhaps 200 square feet. You'll appreciate the white marble, white fixtures, and mirror. Thanks for clicking on today and checking out this video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing what is truly a spectacular Hong Kong apartment. Certainly the finest of its genre in this city. I've leased the apartment twice previously and have a deep relationship with the landlord and history on the property. So by all means, if there are questions, do reach out. I'd like to hear from you.